Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Can I shut it real quick? So can you tell me your name real quick and what's in here, babe?
My name's Dave THF Luke. I have two 18-inch Crossfire XT3 G5s on two XT8Ks in a 3-to-1 ratio, 6-order designed by Chris Cal.
Nice. Did you build it at all?
My buddy built Lupe built it. Lupe Sereno from Oregon built it.
Yes, sir. What do you know your tunings on it?
23 to 41.
23 to 41. Right. Have you done any SPL tests?
I did a 156.50 earlier.
That's good. Are you happy with it?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Very nice. Yeah.
Looks good. What are your amps wired to, ohm-wise?
They're gain matched 1 ohms. See 92.3 volts.
Okay, excellent. Appreciate the info. Can I see the alternator too?
Yeah.
Sorry, I just like to see everything. Appreciate it. I'd love to hear it.
really low in response.
Yeah.
It sounds really good.
I like it. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much for the demo.
Yeah,
What was your name, man?
David Luke.
David Luke, and you're on
Team Hurst Feelings.
Team Hurst?
Georgia chapter.
Georgia chapter. All right. Really nice. I appreciate the demo. I'm gonna go look at the amp rack in the back.
I appreciate it.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.